How to fix projecting to this PC feature disabled problem in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix projecting to this PC feature is disabled problem, then what you need to do is first you need to simply open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you just need to simply go with find a setting and you need to search for projecting to this PC. Go with projection settings and here you will have projecting to this PC. And here if you have optional features option, then you just need to simply go with optional features. But in my case, I don't have that feature, so I'll be just searching it. You just need to simply search for optional features. Once you search for optional features, you just need to simply go with add an optional feature, which is on the first. And here you need to simply search for a name. I'll be choosing wireless display. So before adding your optional feature, make sure that you have the internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to your internet. Once you're connected to your internet, you just need to simply search for wireless display. So in my case, I don't have the Windows display right here because I've already installed it. But if you've not installed, you just need to simply search for wireless display, go with next, and you'll have an option of add, and it will be added like this. You'll have the feature right here on your added features. You'll have the wireless display. And once you have the wireless display, then you can simply go with projecting to this PC, and you will be able to have the available everywhere option. And as to projecting this PC, you can simply go with every time a connection is required or first time only. And that's it. That's how you can fix projecting to this PC feature is disabled. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.